Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty. In the last class, I taught you an important part of English grammar. It was degree. I taught you how to form degree. But today, I want to teach you an important rules of changing degree. So I want to teach you how to change degree. Okay. There are two important rules of changing degree. Rule number one, without one of the, and rule number two, with one of the. In the superlative form, we have to see that without one of the may be absent. In the superlative form, it is called without one of the rule, and in the superlative form, one of the may be present, it is called with one of the. Okay, I will teach you these important rules. Take a look on my board. Dear learners, I have written without one of the rule. Okay, to follow this rule, we have to follow three important parts: superlative, comparative, positive. In the superlative form, we have to write subject plus verb plus the plus superlative degree plus extension. Dear learners, notice please: subject, verb, the, superlative degree, extension. This is the superlative form, and we see that there one of the is absent, so it is in the rule of without one of the. Okay, in the comparative form, we have to write subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus than any other plus extension. Okay, in the positive form, we have to write no other plus extension plus verb, may be singular, plus so oblique as plus positive degree plus as plus subject. Okay, dear learners, follow the board. Without one of the rules reveals these three parts. In the superlative form, we have to write subject, verb, the, superlative degree, extension. In the comparative form, we have to write subject, verb, comparative degree, then any other plus extension. Positive degree, no other plus extension plus verb, maybe singular verb, so oblique as plus positive degree plus as plus subject. Okay, in a nutshell, we can describe that in the superlative form, the, in the comparative form, than any other, in the positive form, no other. So without one of the formula reveals this part, the, than any other, no other. Okay, for example, we can write Raj is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, Raj is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest is a word of superlative degree, so it is a superlative degree. In the confirmative form, we have to write subject Raj, verb is, next comparative degree, tallest follows taller. Raj is taller than any other. Extension boy in the class. So it is clear before our eyes that this line follows this rule. Okay. Next, positive degree. No other plus extension boy in the class. Boy in the class. Boy in the class. Verb is, it's a singular verb, is as, positive degree, tallest, taller, follows tall, as, subject Raj. So it is clear that this line follow this rule. Okay, this is the expression of without one of the rule. We can give example. Raj is the tallest boy in the class. In the comparative form, it is Raj is taller than any other boy in the class, because here we see that one of the is absent here. Next, in the positive form, no other boy in the class is as tall as. Okay, have you got me? I hope you have got me. Next, we will learn with one of the rule. Okay, dear students, can I rub it? Okay, now we will learn rule number 2 with one of the. This rule reveals that in the superlative form we must find one of the. We must find one of the. Okay, superlative, comparative, positive. In the superlative form of with one of the rule, we have to write subject plus verb plus one of the. Look at the board. Here one of the is present. Then we have to write plus superlative degree plus extension. Okay. In the comparative form, we have to write subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then most other plus extension. Okay, in the positive form, we have to write very few plus extension plus verb, maybe plural. Okay, plus so oblique as plus positive degree plus as plus subject. Okay, dear students, now we are trying to learn with one of the rule. For example, we can write is one of the tallest boys in the class. Okay, in the comparative form, we have to write subject Raj, verb is, comparative degree, tallest follows taller than most other, plus extension boys in the class. Boys in the class. In the positive form, we have to write very few, next we have to write extension boys in the class. Next we have to write verb. We know that in the plural form is follows are. Okay, very few boys in the class are as positive degree tall as subject Raj. Okay, dear students, in the subordinate form of the rule of with one of the, we have to write Raj is one of the tallest boys in the class. In the comparative form, we have to write Raj is taller than most other boys in the class. In the positive form, very few boys in the class are as tall as Raj. So, in a nutshell, we can describe that in the superlative form, one of the, in the comparative form, than most other, in the positive form, very few. Okay, Raj is taller than most other boys in the class. This line follows this rule. Very few boys in the class are as tall as Raj. This line follows this rule. Have you got me? I hope you have got me. You have understood well. If there is something wrong, you can ask me. Okay, dear students, I will appear in the next class with new items of English grammar. Till then, wish you good luck. No more today. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.